Okay, here comes your turtleneck. Whoop. That's a nice turtleneck. Are you rolling your tongue at yourself? There you go, turtle. Now you look like a turtle. All right, let's do your hair real quick.
Next, you'll put on blue.
Oh, are you gonna wear blue?
On your back.
Blue on your back, huh? What are you gonna be next time?
Green.
Oh.
A flower, no flower, no flower.
That's right. There you go, one little piggy tail in the back.
Big bird costume.
That's right. All right, Miss Bangs.
Big bird costume.
Let's tuck in your, stand up, baby. Let's tuck in your turtleneck. Here we go. And we're going to put on your big bird costume. And then Mom's got to put on her shoes and her sweater, and then we're going to go trick or treating. Okay. Pull them whoop, way up. All right, little big bird, are you ready?
Big bird.
We're going to step in.
Big bird says, look out below.
Look out below. That's right.
Big bird says, look out below. You little big bird in a pouch.
You have a little big bird pouch, don't ya? Here, let's see. One.
Here, little big bird.
Look at my little big bird.
Your tummy is fluffy.
You have a very fluffy tummy. You have a very fluffy tummy. Let's get that turtleneck out. There we go. All right, you ready for your hat?
Big bird. A big bird hat.
Here it comes. All right.
You look like big bird.
You sure do. Look at Mama, and I'll get your hat all fixed up, okay? There we go. Perfect. Now we just have to go put your shoes on and your big bird feet. Should we go ahead and put your big bird feet on?
Your big bird feet.
Well, let's go get your shoes. Can you carry your pumpkin?
I'll go trick or treating.
Let's go. How cute are you? Are you the cutest thing I've ever seen?